Let's crush an instant nerdle. I'm going to take my time with this one, try to explain my thought process. So we've got subtraction and division. That almost always means it equals a single-digit number. And usually when you have division, it's going to be a double-digit divided by a single digit. It's easier to make it work that way. So I have to think about where the division sign could go and then think about double-digit numbers that might be divisible by something else. My first thought is that maybe the division sign could go right here, and I could think about numbers that are divisible by 3. So first thing I looked at was 12. 12 is divisible by 3. That's 4. But if we did 12 divided by 3, the two numbers that we would have left over are 4 and 2. They would be 6 and 4. So for example, if I put 12 here, this is 4. The only numbers I have left to put in are 4 and 6. So it would have to be 6 minus 4 equals 4, which doesn't work. 6 minus 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So 6 minus 4 equals 4. It doesn't equal 4. That would equal 2. So basically these two numbers that are left over are going to have to be as many apart as this equals, if that makes any sense. Because I'm going to have to subtract whatever this equals. 12 divided by 3, that value 4 has to be how far apart the other two numbers are. Okay, so I'm seeing 12 doesn't work. 21 maybe would be another thought I could have. 21 divided by 3 is 7. None of these numbers are 7 apart, so there's no way that's going to work. But the two numbers left over are still 4 and 6. Those are 2 apart, which is not what we're looking for. So I can take that away. 24 is divisible by 3. That's 8. None of these numbers are 8 apart. So it's seeming to me like the division sign is probably not going to go here, because this number would have to actually be pretty small because all of these numbers are so close together. So I don't think I'm going to be dividing by 3, which makes me think I'm probably subtracting by 3. And there's probably going to be a double-digit number out here, and I'm going to divide by something here. So just analyzing the structure is really important. And then just using process of elimination, testing numbers that might be divisible is how I'm able to get through these relatively quickly typically. All right, so 16 divided by 4 almost works. 16 divided by 4 is 4, minus 3 would be 1, but we already used the 1, so that's not going to work. 14 divided by 2 is 7. That's not going to work because 14 divided by 7 is 2, and I can't subtract 3 from that. All right, 12 divided by 4 doesn't even fit, so the 4 can't go here. 16 divided by 2 is 8, minus 3 is 5. That almost worked, but we needed to equal 4. I'm not seeing anything working here either. So maybe I missed something that's divisible by 3 is my only thought process, because I think I tried all the possibilities here. 24, 14, 16, 12, yeah. All right, so let's go back to the division sign being here. I always can't do this when I try to explain it. It just takes me, I just have to like rattle off the thoughts really quickly, or else I lose my train of thought. So 24, that was too big. It has to be small. Yeah, this doesn't work. This definitely doesn't work, because it would have to be something in the teens divided by 3, or else this gets too big. So this doesn't work, so it must be the other way, right? This can't be a double-digit number. That's not possible. So this has to be a double-digit number. There has to be a double-digit number somewhere. This is how this must be set up. I'm lost, actually. Yeah, the 1 can't even go here if it's set up like this. 24 divided by 6 is 4. That's it. How did I not look at that? Okay, so finally, 24 divided by 6 is 4 minus 3 equals 1. Not my best instant nerdle, if I'm being honest, but hopefully I was able to explain how to think through that. It wasn't as systematic as I generally am, but yeah, you just gotta, pretty much if there's division and then another sign, you have to look for a double-digit number that's divisible by something else, and that's gonna really kind of break it down for you. You find that value that works, and then the other two numbers should be as far apart as the other value. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, it's just, I think it's a matter of honing in on one individual thing, and this division is where things like that really narrows things down pretty quickly. If you focus on the division, because there's going to have to be a double digit divided by a single digit. If you can find 3 numbers that work pretty well there, and then look at the other 2 numbers, that's how I get through it. But that's an instant nerdle, dude. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.